Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Sienna sliding door cable. First, you'll need to identify the common signs of a broken cable, such as the door not opening or closing smoothly, or making unusual noises. Next, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new cable kit. Always remember to safely disconnect your vehicle's battery before beginning any repair work to prevent electrical issues. Once the battery is disconnected, your next step is to carefully remove the interior door panel. This will expose the inner workings of the sliding door mechanism. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or trim pieces. After the panel is off, locate the sliding door motor and the cable assembly. Thoroughly inspect the existing cable for any signs of fraying, kinks, or complete breakage, which will confirm the issue. Now it's time for the actual replacement. Carefully disconnect the old, damaged cable from its various attachment points and pulleys. Pay close attention to how it was routed, as you'll need to replicate this with the new cable. Install the new cable, making sure it's properly routed and has the correct tension. Finally, reconnect all electrical connectors to the motor assembly, ensuring they are secure. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test the sliding door's operation several times to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied, reinstall the interior door panel, securing all fasteners and clips. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty and other great deals. This completes your repair, and your Sienna's sliding door should now function perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.